She's a first-class kind of woman. She's the girl I love the best. She can rattle on all through the night.
But I know about embroidery and kittens. Won't that suffice? Oh, blow it. I'm going to have a try.
Now I go window cleaning to earn an honest bob. For a nosy Parker, it's an interesting job. Now it's a job that just suits me. A window cleaner you would be if you can see what I can see. When I'm cleaning windows, honeymooning couples too, you should see them villain coo. You'd be surprised at things they do. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. The blushing bride, she looks divine. The bridegroom, he is doing fine. I'd rather have his job than mine. When I'm cleaning windows, there's a famous talky queen. She looks a flapper on the screen. She's more like 80 than 18. When I'm cleaning windows, she pulls her hair all down behind, then pulls down her never mind, and after that pulls down the blind. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. An old maid walks around the floor. She's so fed up one day I'm sure she'll drag me in and lock the door. When I'm cleaning windows,
beautiful day, we had lunch on the way, and all for under £1, you know. But on the way back, I cuddled with Jack, and we opened a bottle of cider, singing a few of our favourite songs as the wheels went around. Do you recall the thrill of it all as we walked along the seafront? Then on the sand we heard a brass band that played the diddly bump. Sarara, Elsie and me had one cup of tea, then we took our peddler boat out, splashing away as we sailed round the bay and the wheels went round. Didn't we have a lovely time the day we went to Bangor? A beautiful day, we had lunch on the way, and all for under £1, you know. But on the way back I cuddled with Jack, and we opened a bottle of cider, singing a few of our favourite songs as the wheels went around. Wasn't it nice eating chocolate ice as we strolled around the fun fair? Then we ate meals in the big Ferris wheel as we sailed above the ground. But then we had to be quick cause Elsie felt sick, and we had to find somewhere to take her. I said to her, lad, what made her feel bad was the wheel going round. Didn't we have a lovely time